In today's video, I'm going to teach you Claude AI account banned. How to appeal and fix disabled accounts. If your Claude AI account was suddenly disabled, don't panic. Here is how to respond the right way and avoid making the situation worse. First, stop creating new accounts immediately. Trying to sign up again, cycling through different emails, or jumping between profiles can trigger permanent hardware or IP blocks. Take a breath and focus on a clean appeal instead. Next, consider anything that might have tripped an automated safety flag. If you were using a VPN, turn it off before you do anything else. If you recently switched devices, connected from multiple networks, or were using any API tools, make a note of that. These patterns can look suspicious to automated systems, but they're often harmless in real life. You will want to state this clearly when you appeal so the team can separate a false positive from real misuse. Now submit an appeal through the official Claude Help Center on their support site support.claude.com. In your message, include the email tied to your account so they can find it quickly. If you know when the lockout happened, include that timestamp to help them locate the right logs. Provide a concise description of your legitimate use case, what you typically do with the tool, and add a plain statement that you did not intend to violate any policies. Keep your tone polite and factual. Short, clear explanations help reviewers resolve cases faster. If you prefer email, you can also contact Anthropic's user safety team directly using the address listed on the Help Center User Safety at anthropic.com. Send the same details there. It helps to understand why bans happen. Many are triggered automatically by signals like VPN usage, regional restrictions, or prompts that resemble prohibited activity. If any of these might apply, say so directly. For example, note that you've disabled the VPN and will stick to a single device and stable network. While you wait, don't test access by hopping between accounts or networks that can complicate your case. Just monitor your inbox, including spam and promotions, in case the team requests clarification. If they do, reply promptly with the facts you already shared. Follow this process step by step, and you will give yourself the best chance to reverse a mistaken ban and get back to work. Thanks for watching.